Hello everyone, I'm Ruth from EVANGEL. Now we are in the Shanghai warehouse near the Shanghai port. Today I'm excited to show you SYM5210THBF truck-mounted concrete pump from SANY. It's compact, powerful, and perfect for variety construction projects. Let's have a closer look. First, it has a large ground clearance and flexible fabric, so it's very suitable for construction in narrow spaces, such as urban and rural constructions, factories, etc. Second, the pump is more powerful with a 42 MPa main oil pump, a maximum displacement of 120 cubic meters per hour, and equipped with a Yuchai engine with a power of 119 kilowatts. The improvement is that the fuel consumption is lower than the previous version, so while working efficiently, you can also save fuel cost. Third, the fabric range becomes wider. Vertical spreading height from the ground is 32.2 meters. Horizontal spreading distance from the center of rotation is 28.2 meters. So that's the SYM5210THBF compact, efficient, and built for performance. If you are interested, feel free to contact me. Thank you for watching. I'm looking forward to hearing from you soon.